Hurricane Ian left some in our area with minimal damage and others with catastrophic losses. Either way, there's a lot of uncertainty about insurance coverage, how to file a claim, and what to expect. Our consumer reporter Shannon Bankin breaks down what you need to know.
I've covered the aftermath of storm damage for decades, and I can tell you it's important to get your claim in quickly. Hurricane Ian ripped through Florida, leaving a wrath of destruction, from complete loss to crushed pool cages and roof damage. I've heard your questions about navigating the unsettling world of insurance claims. So I sat down with an expert, attorney Charles Gallagher, to get the answers and some good legal advice. Gallagher tells me no matter how severe the damage, get your insurance company on the phone or notify them online.
One of those terms, those post-loss obligations of the insurance policy, is that you notify your carrier. So if you think it's not severe or significant, I'd make that call anyways. Tell them what you see. I've got, some 2 or 3 shingles are off. I've got, a little bit of lanai damage. Let them make the call on whether they want to evaluate it. Plus, it's going to be nice to have the insurance carrier scope the loss for you and tell you the true extent of it.
In fact, he says if you don't inform them now, they could deny your claim later. For example, damage you assume isn't a big deal now could lead to mold later, and an insurance company could blame you for not reporting the claim in a timely manner. Also, make sure you take pictures of any damage and share that with your assigned adjuster. Keep in mind there are 3 types of policies that could kick in: traditional homeowners insurance, flood insurance, and FEMA emergency aid for those who don't have enough insurance, but funds are limited.
If you have a scenario where part of your roof is torn off by the hurricane and there's wind-driven rain coming in there, you'd have coverage under your homeowners insurance policy. If it's a scenario of purely storm surge, purely flood, most homeowners policies do not cover that.
Does FEMA come in?
Potentially, yeah. FEMA has a program where you can go ahead and request assistance for repairs to your home, for lodging, things like that, even medical expenses. And potentially you might get benefits under FEMA. Yes, that's correct. But the ideal scenario would be that you had a homeowners policy, you had a flood policy, and among the 2 of those, you'll have coverage for the loss.
Some people tell me they are concerned about paying their deductible up front, but insurance experts tell me that amount will be taken out of your payout first. I'm Shannon Bankin, 8 on your side.